Yo guys, what's up and welcome to the trade recap from yesterday's trade from Tuesday, 27th of May, which was my first trade of this week. Because if we can take a quick look here, on Monday we had a bank holiday, so I didn't take a trade there. And yesterday we only had consumer confidence as high impact news, but I didn't pay too much attention to these news. It's only an orange folder, so I was not expecting a high impact. So yeah, coming into market open, I checked the higher time frames, and we had bullish sentiment overall. You can see, we broke the 4-hour pre-market structure to the upside on the 4-hour, and on the 1-hour we were bearish. I mean, we broke structure to the downside on the 1-hour. But overall, I had a bullish bias because, for me, every time when I see something like this, where we have like all these low resistance highs stacked on top of each other, they're just waiting to get taken out by the market. So I marked out all these 15-minute and 5-minute low resistance lows. And ideally for me, when market opened, ideally for me, it would be nice if market took out all these lows, including this hourly low right here. But market didn't take out that hourly low, only the 50-minute lows. NQ did the same, by the way. As you can see, nice sweep of these two 15-minute lows right here, this one and this one. So yeah, I was also just waiting after these sweeps for a reaction out of it. Also, if you draw in the equilibrium from this leg up, we also, by far, got a correction to the equilibrium. This was also a fair value gap, I think, here on the hourly. Yeah, so we had here this fair value gap and also this hourly fair value gap. So yeah, it's just basically one huge imbalance right there. We respected these fair value gaps with that 15-minute candle that just dipped into all of these fair value gaps right here and swept out these 15-minute lows. From there, directly scaled down to the 1-minute on ES. Let's just see how the response was there, so you understand how I found my entry. Yeah, so we swept out the first 15-minute high. I was just watching the price patiently. We took out the second 15-minute high that I marked out. Here we got a bit of buying pressure in. So yeah, it's always a good sign when you see a few blue candles, a few bullish candles after these sweeps, that maybe market is ready to make its daily move. So manipulation is over. And yeah, I was just waiting for a 1-minute break of structure, and we got the 1-minute break with this blue candle right here, and I entered off of that breakout structure directly. Why? Because I was feeling very confident that we will take out all of these highs, and as you can see, all the highs that I marked out got taken out. This was my first take profit, and then I took my last take profit all the way up here. Yeah, but we took out all these other highs also. And I closed out half of my position here at the first take profit. I think this gave me almost 1 to 1.7 risk to reward ratio, and closed my entire position on that last high time frame high up here. Pretty decent price action on NQ, by the way. If you would decide to trade on NQ, same setup, by the way, can just look over it quickly. I didn't take the trade on NQ, although maybe price action was a bit cleaner here, and NQ also moved faster. So yeah, we had the same setup here. As you can see, market opened, we swept out these 15-minute lows, respected the fair value gaps. If you scale down to the 1-minute, we break structure right here. with that blue candle. Enter. Target high time frame highs. And yeah, look where market even went. Just, yeah, freaking rallied to the upside. Yeah, maybe we will even take out this high right here. Yeah, but that was the trade from yesterday on ES. I didn't take it on NQ, but again, when you see such a nice response where we sweep out these lows and you see like this candle leaves a huge wick, this is like perfect indication for a sweep. Scale down, search for further confluences, equilibrium, order blocks, breaker blocks, break of structures, fair value gap tap-ins, inverse fair value gaps, and then just enter. Yeah, I could have held that trade even longer. Maybe next time I leave a runner. Yeah, first W for me for this week. Always amazing to start the week with a win. And yeah, today, Wednesday, I won't take a trade because we have FOMC meeting minutes. So yeah, exactly. Today I won't take any trades. On Thursday, yeah, looks pretty decent. Thursday probably I will take a trade. We have unemployment claims pre-market, and Friday, yeah, Friday I will probably also trade. So yeah, and then the week is already over. Again, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick trade recap from my trade yesterday. If you did, yeah, feel free to comment if you have questions. And yeah, I appreciate you all. See you in the next video and stay healthy. Peace out. Bye guys.